Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Rasia Kitchen. Adishema, Mimobi Biara Akwaba. Yes, we thank God for how far He has brought us. Yede radia se, ewon pempen so odien abedui. You, happy holidays to you all. Come with me to my kitchen. So I started with my cake. Look at the cake. Beautiful. We are done. It's my delicious dinner roll. I have the video coming up. Look. My original Ghana rag bands Papa Bill. The video is on my channel. Check it out. Yay! Colorful, natural, sweet fruit salad. Next.
Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen na Esias Medjumedi we say Ebremu. Obusia obetimi akọ on YouTube page Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen obetimi asho spellings ni na ade a omo ye and same onwa enuane ahodo any local dishes, foreign dishes, healthy cooking and oye enuane a wonti bidin da na omo noa e page ni so make say uye bema uye student uye school mu ananso nyanware ye eja esujani unyo bi no aduane ama obetimi akọ no YouTube channel no so no ahwese no se no anuane ahodo na so wahwe bi na wasua na wano ne kama na numbers na go screen so obetimi afa na emom no menfre test no se help bi na ohia wo test no be reply ma kama na aduane kro pese ono ano Gloria etimi aboa amo ano kama na yenkoi.
This is a must have on your Thanksgiving table. It's so collard greens on Thanksgiving Day. Yes, you can't leave that one out. So yeah, so every year we do collard greens with the Thanksgiving foods, especially with the mashed potatoes. Go so well. You can add salted fish to it. You can add bacon to it with some onions. Chai. Yeah, so we're on it. Madam, do your thing. Yeah, and bacon is just so. To me, and it's na, but the eye color green. Okay, into your hands also. You can do a chicken. May season so. Chicken is ready. Yes, so the jollof too is going on here. As you can see, jollof not so air for so what I say. So, everything after jollof not so a big kama. Now then, we'll be a bit in the world. You see here, it's gone. Whoa. I punch your mother there. I'm punching. Papa soup, Papa baby. Some soup too is going on here. Yo, potatoes no so kasuaha. Mashed potatoes. Can you see that? Eee, so they're chin chimneys. Mac and cheese is so kasuaha say. Hey. You. Entino. Yeah, well, Benkun waha. She, Benkun. And you. Our packaging is fine. Delivery. Aha. We, my sister be a menene ye. I think 4th of July video be no. Aha, ya tutu e Bruno. Aha, ono no ye Benkun. Na me se Benkun ASS soft. Okay. Say with the banku egu hwa in here fridge oh, a big go for 2 good weeks and even more. It's still the same texture, taste, everything. And you know, wow, we a program. Biano. You can leave me a comment now here, Bia. I'll contact her. Okay, a packaging the fine. It's still warm. Then keep it fine. Oh, so neat. Oh, nice. Bia, kitani say to say handbag. So now the woman. Yeah, so this is banku. Banku is made with corn dough, yeah, and cassava dough. This is very, very good banku. And I'm telling you, this banku, you can leave it out for more than 2 good weeks. And it doesn't loses its taste, texture, nothing. So if you need some, or you're making party weddings and you need special banku that will last you and your guests will enjoy forever, trust me, leave me a comment. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.